It started in 1972 in a pole barn in Mason, Michigan, a handcrafted pontoon boat for the popular small Michigan lakes. Now Tahoe Pontoons is a worldwide leader, crafting the most innovative, exciting, and luxurious pontoon boats in all the world. A pontoon boat that has been tested on some of the roughest waters in the world. We build high-performance twin-engine models, luxurious cruising models, affordable family models, fishing models, and even luxury compact models. Tahoe is a privately owned company. As such, Tahoe boats are built to meet our own standards because we are pontoon boat experts that live and breathe and build only pontoon boats every day. Unlike corporate-owned companies, our first priority is creating the best-built, best-looking, and best-performing pontoon boats money can buy. Tahoe has the largest state-of-the-art pontoon boat manufacturing facility in the world. Unlike our competitors, we are vertically integrated and manufacture almost all of our own components in-house, including furniture, canvas, pontoons, and walls. We offer high-quality features that most others don't, including aluminum ventilated flow-through seat frames with beautiful composite kick panels, our exclusive Matrix 50 seat covering, deck corner protection on all four corners, and external wall skins for a beautiful seamless look. We also feature impeccably welded pontoons, mounted on full risers and attached with .190 double-bolted hat channels, with the world's strongest integrated splash fin and nose cone assembly that is fully covered by the front deck for maximum durability. You can confidently choose from our 3 levels of quality-built pontoons that, starting with 2021 models, include a 10-year bow-to-stern warranty and lifetime structural warranty. For those who desire fully loaded models with the highest level of plush furnishings, performance options, and the most innovative designs, choose from our 2 Master Collection offerings. Grand Tahoe. 3 layouts of beautiful design that includes full windshields and our world-renowned exclusive 27-inch Wave Glider triple pontoon high-performance package that has been tested across oceans, rivers, and bays in some of the world's most demanding conditions. Cascade Platinum. A broader array of models in the luxurious Master Collection with more versatile performance options starting with twin 25-inch pontoons all the way up to the Wave Glider system. Tahoe's most popular Signature Collection is comprised of 3 groups of offerings with our broadest choice of available features and layouts. Cascade. This luxurious bestseller gives you the visibility of the signature Tahoe profile in 11 different layouts that can be personalized with the features and performance options that meet the expectations you have in mind. Choose to fully equip your Cascade with all the latest features and performance options, or just choose the Cascade that is right for you. LTZ. The LTZ is our best-selling mid-range model with the quality and durability shared by all Tahoe pontoons in a more sporty and trendy design. With our largest offering of 12 layouts, find the perfect pontoon that has the features you want in a price range that matches your aspirations. GT. This economical model features the more traditional pontoon profile, but with all the quality you get with every Tahoe pontoon. Choose from 7 cruising and unique fishing models that can be personalized with all the features and performance options you desire. The Boutique Collection is comprised of 3 groups of compact 8-foot and 7.5-foot wide offerings that are specifically designed for small lakes and easy transportation. These models are perfect for folks who want an easy-to-maintain starter boat, a more stable and comfortable fishing boat, or just a romantic sunset cruising boat. Sport 7.5-foot and 8-foot wide luxury compact models feature the profile that is the heritage of pontoon boating. Choose from 8 different cruising and fishing layouts. SLT is the perfect entry-level pontoon for cost-conscious buyers. This easy-to-trailer, easy-to-drive pontoon dynamo with Tahoe's tried-and-true construction and seating quality is, motor included, promotionally priced at under $20,000, letting you and your family get into boating at a most affordable price. STX is our most inexpensive model, an under $20,000 beauty with classic pontoon boat style. STX's heritage design harkens back to the simple good looks that ignited the public's original love of pontoon boats. STX is the go-to model for those needing either an entry-level boat or one for smaller lakes and calmer waters, and is available in 2 exciting layouts. We work every day in the pursuit of pontoon perfection, in the pursuit of true innovation, performance, and style. Experience Tahoe, the art of the pontoon.
Center, Power Sports and Marine.